Mastering simple Higgsfield AI prompt to get as better result as possible in the most simplest way. So what I will ask you to do is just make sure to generate the starting and the ending frame. That's the most important one. When you go on videos on Higgsfield and from below here you choose any model you want, I will suggest you to choose Kling 3.0. That's the best. It asks you to enter a starting image and an ending. This gives AI concise room on what type of video or what kind of movement to generate. If you don't have any image, that's okay as well. You can just have the space empty. Just make sure the video you want is as properly described as possible. And that's where prompting comes in. For this, what I will suggest you to do is use Gemini. Cloud is better, but it asks for a lot of credit, which means money. I like to go for the free solution, but Claude is the best. After that, ChatGPT. But if you want something for free and simple, Gemini is the way. Over here, just describe your scene. You can describe it in the most rough way possible. So you just want to write this. I want a prompt for my video generation. The basic premise of my video is this. Now at the bottom, describe your video. Maybe it's a sunny scene with the sun going down and the camera panning up, revealing the sky, etc. Now you have to describe your scene in the most best way possible so the AI can give you the prompt. So I press enter and it just got the basic premise of my video. And look at the prompt. You see that? For a cinematic, it's going to give you this prompt. If you want 3D animation style, it's going to give you this. For a science fiction cyberpunk like vibe, it gives you this. So you have different options for prompt now. Now you can copy this prompt, paste it, and give it more info. I like this prompt, but I want this. You can describe your changes. It's going to make the changes, and after the changes is made, it's going to give you another better prompt. Now that prompt you can copy and paste it here and generate your video. That's the way how you guys can prompt like a pro on Higgsfield AI. All right, so subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.